Good day, everyone. Today we are going to discuss English system conversion. And the objectives for today's lesson is to first identify and define basic units in the English measurement system, perform hands-on exercises, convert measurements within the English system using worksheet or practical materials, and last, show appreciation for the importance of measurement systems in daily life by reflecting on how measurement units affect everyday tasks. Now, what is the English system of measurement? The English system, also known as the imperial or customary system, is a system of measurement commonly used in the United States. It includes units such as inches, feet, yards, miles, pounds, and ounces for measuring length, weight, and volume. The key points here is that different from the metric system, which is used in most other countries, and this is based on historical units that have evolved over time. These are the common units of length in the English system. The basic unit of length is what we call inch, and 1 foot is equal to 12 inches, 1 yard is equal to 3 feet or 36 inches, 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet or 1,760 yards. Now, based on this units of length in the English system, let's have example number 1. So example number 1, convert 36 inches to feet. Now, in converting 36 inches to feet, we are going to use this units of length or the common conversion. So, inches and feet, we are going to use this one. So, that is our conversion factor. So, we have 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. Now, since we have selected our conversion factor, now let us solve. So, this is our solution. We are given with 36 inches. So, 36 inches times, remember, what is your, let's say, unit of measurement here? Mo po dapat ang nasa ubos. So, let's write 12 on the denominator. 12 inches equals or 1 foot. That is 36 times 1 multiply, that is 36. You can eliminate the inches. What remains is foot. So we have 36 foot over 12. When we divide 36 and 12, the answer is 3. So we have here 3 feet. Therefore, 36 inches is equal to 3 feet. This is your answer. For example number 2, we have here, convert 9 feet to yards. For example number 2, we are going to convert 9 feet to yards. Now, we are going to select, we can use this one. 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. So, that is our conversion factor. 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. Now, for the solution, we are going to write 9 feet times, again, kung unsay unit of measurement dire, maupo dapat sa denominator, which is feet. And in our conversion factor, we have this one. So, we are going to write 3 feet. And on the numerator is 1 yard. So, this will become 9 times 1. That is 9. Feet can be cancelled out. What remains is yard. So, you write yard over 3.
9 divided by 3, that is 3. So your answer is 3 yards. So your final answer is that 9 feet is equal to 3 yards.
For example number 3, we have convert 2 miles to feet.
Now let's solve example number 3. Convert 2 miles to feet. So we are going to choose for our conversion factor. We have here, we are going to select miles and feet. So this one. So 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet. So that is our conversion factor. Now for the solution, we're going to write 2 miles. Again, kung unsay muhang unit of measurement, mao po dapat diari sa denominator, and that is miles. In our conversion factor, we have here 1 mile and 5,280 feet. So, cancel out mile. 2 times 5,280 feet, that will become 10,560 feet over 1. 10,560 divided by 1, that is 10,560 feet. Therefore, your final answer is that 2 miles is equal to 10,560 feet.
Here we have the common units of weight in the English system. The basic unit of weight is what we call ounce. And 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. And 1 ton is equal to 2,000 pounds. Now let's have example number 4 based on the common units of weight in the English system. So we have here convert 32 ounces to pounds.
For example number 4, we are to convert 32 ounces to pounds. So we are going to choose for our conversion factor. We are going to look for ounces and pounds. So this is what we are going to use. 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. So for our solution, that is 32 ounces times 16 ounces, and this is 1 pound. 32 times 1, that's 32 pound, and we can cancel out ounces, over 16. 32 divided 16, that is 2. So what remain here is 2 pounds. Therefore, our final answer is that 32 ounces is equal to 2 pounds.
For example number 5, we have here convert 4,000 pounds to tons.
Now let's solve for example number 5. We are to convert pounds to tons. So we are going to use this conversion factor. So our conversion factor is 1 ton is equal to 2,000 pounds. For the solution, we have 4,000 pounds times, again, 1 ton over 2,000 pounds. So 4,000 times 1, that's 4,000 ton. Cancel out pounds. What remains is 2,000. 4,000 divided by 2,000, that is 2. So the answer is 2 tons. Therefore, 4,000 5,000 pounds is equal to 2 tons.
We also have example number 6, that is for the conversion of weight in the English system. So we have here convert 5 pounds to ounces.
Now let's have example number 6. We have convert 5 pounds to ounces, and we are going to use this conversion factor. So the conversion factor is 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. So our solution is that 5 pounds times 16 ounces over 1 pound. Now 5 times 16, let us solve that one. 5 times 16, that is 80 ounces. Cancel out pound over 1. So therefore 80 divided by 1, that's 80 again. Therefore our answer is 5 pounds is equal to 80 ounces.
We also have here the common units of volume in the English system. Now we have here 1 cup is equal to 8 fluid ounces, 1 pint is equal to 2 cups, 1 quart is equal to 2 pints, and 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts. Now let's try this units of volume in English system in conversion. So we have example number 7, convert 4 cups to pints.
Now let's solve example number 7. We are to convert 4 cups to pints. So we are going to use this as our conversion factor. You have 1 pint is equal to 2 cups. So our solution, that is 4 cups times 1 pint over 2 cups. 4 times 1, that's 4. Cancel out cups. Si pint ang nabilin over 2. 4 divided by 2, that's 2 pints. Therefore, our answer is 4 cups is equal to 2 pints.
For example number 8, we have here, convert 8 quarts to gallons.
For example number 8, we are to convert 8 quarts to gallons. So we are going to use this as our conversion factor. That is 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts. Now for the solution, we have 8 quarts times 1 gallon over 4 quarts. 8 times 1, that's 8. Cancel out quarts. Si gallon ang nabilin. Si right gallon over 4. 8 divided by 4, that's 2. So our answer is 2 gallons. So 8 quarts is equal to 2 gallons.
For example number 9, we have here, convert 3 pints to fluid ounces.
Now let's solve for example number 9. Convert 3 pints to fluid ounces. So we have here pint and cups, quart and pints. But we are using we are going to look for the fluid ounces, so we cannot use the quart. First, we are going to use this one, and the second one will be this one. We are going to convert first pints to cup, and cup to fluid ounces. So we are going to use two conversion factors. So first, the conversion factors is that 1 pint is equal to 2 cups. 1 cup is equal to 8 fluid ounces. Now let's have the solution. So we have 3 pints. 3 pints times, again, from pints we are to convert that into cups, so we are using this first. So this is 2 cups over 1 pint, and from cup we are going to convert to fluid ounces, so times again the second conversion factor, so we have 8 fluid ounces over 1 cup. So we can cancel out this, and this. What remains is fluid ounces. So we have fluid ounces. So 3 times 2, that's 6. 6 times 8, that is 48 over 1 times 1, that's 1. So 48 divided by 1, that's 48. So our answer is 48 fluid ounces. Therefore, 3 pints is equal to 48 fluid ounces.
Now let's proceed to real-world application. So these are the examples of English system usage. First, road signs in the US are marked in miles. Body weight is commonly measured in pounds, and fuel efficiency for cars is expressed in miles per gallon. Now the question is, why is it important to understand these conversions in daily life? Understanding conversions is essential in daily life for practical applications like cooking and measuring, ensuring health and safety in nutrition and medication, managing time across time zones, enhancing accuracy in professional tasks, and facilitating global communication. It improves efficiency and effectiveness in various activities. Now let's try to solve word problems involving English system. So we have here Sarah needs to hang some string lights in her backyard. The total distance she needs to cover is 45 feet. However, the string lights she bought are measured in yards. How many yards of string lights does she need?
For this problem, we need to convert 45 feet to yards. So, what is 45 feet in yards? So, we need to look for the conversion factor. We need to remember the conversion factor that 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. So, for our solution, that is 45 feet times 1 yard over 3 feet. So, cancel out feet. 45 times 1, that's 45 yard over 3. Now, 45 divided by 3, that is 15 yards. Therefore, 45 feet is equal to 15 yards.
For the next word problem, we have here Tom bought 4 pounds of apples from the grocery store. If he wants to divide them equally into bags that hold 8 ounces each, how many bags can he fill?
for this problem, we have to take note some of the keywords here, such that we have 4 pounds of apple, and Tom wants to divide them equally into bags that hold 8 ounces each. So we need to find out how many bags can he fill. So from 4 pounds, we are to convert that into ounces. So our conversion factor for this one is 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. So for the solution, we have 4 pounds times 16 ounces over 1 pound. So we have cancel pound, 4 times 16, that is 64 ounces over 1. 64 divided by 1, that's 64 ounces. Now we are not yet done. We know that 4 pounds is equal to 64 ounces, but Tom wants to divide them equally into bags that hold 8 ounces each. So we need to divide 64 ounces. It says that one bag holds 8 ounces. So there is one bag, 8 ounces. So that cancel out ounces. 64 times 1, that's 64. Bag divided by 8. Now 64 divided by 8, that is 8. So the answer would be 8 bags. So Tom can fill 8 bags.
Next, we have here a recipe calls for 2 quarts of milk, but Sally only has a measuring cup marked in cups. How many cups of milk does she need to use?
Now for this problem, we have here 2 quarts of milk and cups. The problem asked for how many cups of milk does she need to use. So we need to convert 2 quarts to cups. So we are to convert 2 quarts to cups. So we need to remember the conversion factor is that 1 quart is equal to 2 pints, and 2 pints is equal to, this is not 2, rather this is 1. 1 pint is equal to 2 cups. So we have 2 conversion factors, and for the solution, we have 2 quarts times 2 pints over 1 quart times 2 cups over 1 pint. Cancel out quarts and pints. 2 times 2, that's 4, times 2, that's 8. What remains is cups. 1 times 1, that's 1. 8 cups divided by 1, so that is 8 cups. Therefore, 2 quarts is equal to 8 cups.
We also have here, Jake is planning to run a marathon. The marathon is 26.2 miles long, but he wants to know how many feet he will be running. How many feet are in the marathon?
In this problem, we are to convert 26.2 miles to feet. So that is 26.2 miles. We are to convert that one into feet. So we need to remember the conversion factor of 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet. Now, for this solution, that is 26.2 miles times 5,280 feet over 1 mile. Cancel out miles. 26.2 times 5,280 feet, that is 26.2 times 5,280, that is 138,336 feet over 1. 138,336 divided by 1, that's 138,336 feet. So we have here the final answer of 138,336 feet.
Emma has a piece of fabric that is 5 yards and 2 feet long. She wants to convert the total length into inches. How many inches is the fabric?
For this problem, we have here 5 yards and 2 feet. We need to convert the total in inches. So first, we are to convert 5 yards to inches. The second one, we have 2 feet to inches. Let us first solve the yards to inches. So we need to remember the conversion factor. So yards to inches, you need to remember that 1 yard is equal to 36 inches. And for feet to inches, you need to remember that 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. So let's first solve 5 yards. 5 yards times 36 inches over 1 yard. So cancel out yard. 5 times 36, that is 5 times 36, that is 180 inches over 1, that is 180 inches. Now for the second one, we have 2 feet times 12 inches over 1 foot. So this is 12 times 2 times 12, that's 24 inches. Cancel out feet. So that's over 1. 24 divided by 1, that's 24 inches. Now, the problem asked for the total inches in fabric. So we need to add the two values. So 180 plus 24. Therefore, that is equal to 204 inches. So the final answer would be 5 yards and 2 feet is equal to 204 inches.
The next problem here we have a gallon of water weighs approximately 8.34 pounds. How much would 3 quarts of water weigh?
For this problem, we are given a gallon, that is approximately 8.34 pounds. So we can write that as 1 gallon is approximately 8.34 pounds. How much would 3 quarts of water weigh? So we are going to convert 3 quarts to gallon. So we can have its approximation to pounds. So we need to remember the conversion factor. 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts. Now for the solution, we are going to write 3 quarts times 1 gallon over 4 quarts. So 3 times 1, that's 3. Cancel out quarts. 3 gallon over 4. If you are going to divide this one, we are going to have 0.75 gallon. Now, how do we have its approximation to pounds? So we are going to use 0.75 gallon times, we can write that as 1 gallon, and the numerator would be 8.34 pounds. So cancel out gallon, multiply 0.75 times 8.34, so that is 0.75 times 8.34. So we have 6.255 pounds over 1. So that is 6.255 divided by 1, that's 6.255 pounds. So we have here 0.75 gallon. Therefore, 3 quarts of water would weigh approximately 6.255 pounds.
Since we have shown different examples for our topic conversions of English system, you may pause this video so you can answer the activities. So we have here perform the following conversions. So here we have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And here we have the numbers 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, you may pause the video so you can read, understand, and answer each problem. That's all for today. I hope you have learned something from our topic, conversions of English system, and we will see you on our next meeting.